you know, Indianapolis has been in some tough games. They've won close games. They've come back in games. So that just shows you that they're a mentally tough team, and they play all 4 quarters. They never give up on each other.
You know, there's going to be a lot of close games. We've been in a lot of close games. They've been in a lot of close games, probably more than anybody in the league. And, you know, they find a way to win them. That's why they're here at this point. So
that whole team kept fighting, and I think, you know, that's the key. When you see comebacks like that, it's one play at a time. You make a play, you change the outcome of the game, and you can change momentum, and that's how it looks like they took that attitude.
He's good at using the hard count and having guys jump off sides, but you know, hopefully here at home, you know, the fans will be loud, and you know, he won't be able to use that as much. He'll have to use some more of the tapping and stuff like that to the center.
You know, you never know. It's playoff time, so you could get a little spin the dial thing going on here, and we're gonna have to be ready for their best because you know, it's win or go home.
you got one opportunity to get it right, and that's all you could ask for as an athlete. And the great part is once that ball's kicked off, none of the other crap matters. So it's just the players that are going to ultimately go out there and decide.
For us to have the injuries and the things that we've had this year and still have success, then it speaks volumes of the coaches and, you know, what they do to prepare everyone every week, and, you know, breaking down people's individual roles and what they're expected to do. You know, that goes a long ways.
I mean, it's tough to get open in the National Football League. You're going against professional corners. So you definitely have to use your fundamentals and your techniques that you're taught, and you have to use your strengths, whether it's your height, your speed, your quickness, or whatever, and you have to use them to the best of your ability, and, you know, really focus down on your fundamentals of the route running to get open.
I mean, these are the moments that you dream about. To be in the NFL playoffs, and you got a chance with 8 other teams to, you know, be the last team standing. It's why we work hard. It's why, you know, every guy puts a lot out there. You sacrifice, you know, a lot of things, and
that's our job as the offense, is to put as many points as we can on the board. So, you know, I can assure you that we're going to try to do that to the best of our ability.